Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And in the settings we need to scroll and find the option General Management. Then let's tap on Reset. And as you can see here, we've got two options that are connected with networks. So mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Basically, it's good that they are separated, because Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings is a little bit, I wouldn't say easier, but more common to reset those settings than resetting mobile network settings. But of course, you can reset both. So all you need to do is to tap on the option, tap on Reset Settings. Here you need to confirm everything with your screen lock, and this is quite important because you cannot undo this action. And if it comes to mobile network settings, depending on your network's required settings, you might not be able to connect to your mobile network anymore. So do this reset only if you're ready and only if you know what you're doing. So tap on Reset and it is finished. And as I said, the same situation with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, but as I said, this option is not as severe as the previous one, so you can just tap on it. Here we've got a short information that this cannot be undone, so just tap on Reset Settings and that's all. You don't even need to confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.